Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 26th to 30th January 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So here, this is our chart currently. Let's talk about the closing first in GBP USD. So we can see a 1.01% positive move on Friday. 1.36376 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good big body with a bullish candle with a small lower and upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 7980 level, which is around overbought area, which is indicating as a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So let's open a one-day chart over here. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So this is a one-day chart. Currently, important support zones and resistance zones are already marked, so we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here, 1.36376 was the closing. Here, the direct support is 1.36352. Direct resistance is 1.36511. After direct support, there is a support of 1.36129 and then 1.35862. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.36669 and then 1.36848. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. If you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I also shared a coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from that prop firm. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a negative closing in this range, that is 1.361 292 1.36352. I am expecting a negative closing. If this also gets breached, then we can see a fall till this range as well. Overall, if you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 1.36511 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed above this, then you can go for a long till 1.36669. Even if this gets breached, then you can go for a long till this level as well. Overall, my expectations a bit negative in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.